discuss is today's generation is big on shopping and especially online shopping.
Yes,
Be
agree.
it Myntra, Nykaa, Amazon, Urbanic, all of these brands, they are shopping, and all of these are fast fashion brands. All the Zaras, all the H&Ms, which kids love these days. So how do you ensure that your daughter does not get into that, or not even your daughter, her friend circle, her social circle, any kid in this day and age should not fall into the loophole of fast fashion? How do we ensure that?
Yeah, I'll answer this question with a personal example. My husband, as I told you, that he was of the opinion that Durga Puja hai to shopping karna hai. So a habit, I say that humans are actually slaves to habits.
Right.
So once that habit develops, you take time to come out of that habit.
Right.
So it sticks to you.
Right.
So you have to be patient and give time to that person to understand that you lay the options open in front of them, educate them, but you cannot force your opinion on them.
True.
Anyone, not only your daughter, the teenagers, your family members also.
Right.
It takes time for them to come out of that habit and understand, okay, that this is also doable. Like as an option from buying new clothes for an occasion, you can actually upcycle a previous clothing piece that you
Right.
have and give it a modern touch and twist and change it as per your taste.
Correct.
And create something new.
Correct.
So this transition takes time. You have to be patient and show them that, okay, this is what I have for you. Now you choose whether you want to buy a new one or this is something that you would like.
Right.
And then it happens. So now for this year there was no new Durga Puja clothes shopping at my place. So in fact we designed what I'll tell you, share something with you. We have this time designed denim in Denim Darzi. We first experimented in our family. We have chosen trousers, waistcoats, and we turned them into reversible trousers and jackets. And we have not added any extra piece of fabric. We have created designs in such a way that when you are actually wearing it, flipping it the other side, it is a completely different design. So the seams that you see when you are reversing this, we have actually covered this with different fabrics so that it creates a different look. And one fab and our collection also recently which we brought, this is actually a reversible collection.
Right.
Not using another fabric for the reverse side, but just adding little bit touches. And every blazer and trouser is a reversible trouser and blazer. So that is actually sustainability. You are reducing on and one,
because you're getting two outfits at the cost of one.
Correct. So that has been idea for Denim Darzi also, that we create designs and clothing items which you can wear in different styles.
Right.
Not only as a dress. Like for example, what I am wearing, it's a shirt dress. Now you can wear it as a pullover jacket. You can wear it only as a shirt. You wear pants with it and create a different look.
Yes.
So you are actually using that same clothing piece
in multiple ways.